Lakaing ko ratrok Dwarbaguri constituency ka parlo. During polling station along MEC election path along. Dwarbaguri constituency pen BJP candidate Akai Richard Tok Bikar Bianglong Thomas Council MEC ke along Chipate dun pen. Putot high to pen during polling station aratung. Ningarong Chipi dun rinti. Labangso along local committee president Rajaniti Lapan secretary Raju Terang pen Simaichari ponlo. Labangso amailong. Rong kosonsi ke mesenji molapen kosonsi development asai. Rong pen PPC ke klempon ang jima lahi hui alam labangso amailong chitan chimong pon rinti. Pinpur me kedam tang MEC Richard Tobi klempon bom hots tame. Dering aradapan penana kisung pen pajok ponlo. Lason si tawaris tame mesen ben long ponlo. Lapan ke mis tame adon tien ta dorep loputa chitan pon. Lapen dering arat pen Richard Tok biapan unan ke kedam tang arni ta cherap dun lo. Lapen non ke wang jilang along ta. Cherap chetodun vegji puta dering arat tumpen ninje pon rinti. Kaziranga pen Thompson terang loti ki news karbi.
BJP सरकार BJP सरकार